Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. Today I will introduce our right and left hand thread ball screw. This bi-directional ball screw is with flange ballnuts. Flanged ballnut is the most common nut type. It's easy to adjust and calibrate to desired installation accuracy. This ball screw diameter is 6 mm. The pitch is 1 mm. And the ball screw material is bearing steel. Our ball screw efficiency can reach over 19%, and the axial play can be 0. You can get C0, C1, C3, C5, C7 accuracy grade ball screw from us. ALM ball screw design is flexible and can replace any brand that you use currently. The ball screw shaft and the nut shape can be customized according to your requirement. Our MOQ is one set. Welcome to inquiry.